One device, 11 tools, full body grooming made effortless. Inside the box, here's what you get. Beard blade with 5 comb attachments. Body blade with 2 comb attachments. Ears, nose trimming blade. C-type charging cable. Cleaning brush. User manual. Matte finish, sturdy grip, sleek, ergonomic design. This trimmer feels premium and performs even better. Built with high-quality self-sharpening stainless steel blades, it stays sharp over time. Charge it anywhere using your phone charger. Thanks to Type-C fast charging, you get 90 minutes of runtime from just 90 minutes of charging. Cleaning is simple. Just detach the blades, rinse them, dry them properly, and reattach. Hygienic and hassle-free. From beard to body, ears to nose. This 11-in-1 trimmer covers it all. For the price, the Bombay Shaving Company Power Groomer offers versatility, performance, and convenience in one powerful device, a solid choice for the modern man. Want to grab this trimmer? Checkout link is in the description below.